still don't really know what's happened, but there are three main possibilities. The first is that this is just a pathogen, a disease, something that we haven't yet identified that's only affecting elephants.
A single gram of it dissolved over an entire city. Of chemicals here, and I want you to tell me what they remind you of.
Okay.
Obsessed with conquering all of Jingwu Mine and eventually Shanghai. It's become important to him.
But different chemicals create different sensations.
As the first step of conquering all of China.
The standard explanation for this is to do with the shape of the molecules.
I tell you that's what he's doing. If you observe his troop movements, his plan becomes obvious.
Shape, it fits into the receptor, triggering that unique smell sensation. Both benzaldehyde and cyanide have the same smell. They both smell of almonds. But these molecules are both very different.
An insect whose objective is to destroy an elephant. While the elephant is asleep, the insect has the advantage. But
fruit flies. First, the flies were trained to avoid the modified version of the...
Okay. Let's say the
are the bonds that hold it together with the carbon and nitrogen. But the reality isn't as simple as that.
Is about a venomous insect, and it can strike the elephant's heart. Before it wakes up, it's already paralyzed.
Clue how you go about training a fruit fly, but apparently you can.
In the laboratory.
Second is that it's a naturally occurring.
Given a choice. Go right for the nice fruity smell, or left for the nasty modified version. They could definitely smell the difference. They always preferred the original and turned right. First, the scent molecule fits into the receptor. But for this to happen, trillions and trillions of chemical reactions work together, breaking molecules, forming new ones in a carefully orchestrated dance. But the fibers that hold flesh together are very, very strong.
Toxin of some form. And then third is that it's a poison that has been laid by poachers. That happens often in this part of the world. In Botswana and Zimbabwe in particular, poachers use cyanide. But normally, when they've used a poison, scavengers would also die. So you would see dead vultures, dead jackals, dead hyenas lying around these carcasses. And we're not seeing that at all. But until we get the test results back, it's just guesswork.
Collagen is one of the most important proteins for the biological world. It's the protein which actually gives that resilience, that elasticity to tendons, to cartilage, and of course to our skin as well.
The vital clue comes from recent experiments that stunned the world of science. Chemists fired lasers at plant cells to simulate the capture of light from the sun. They confirmed the exciton wasn't bouncing along a haphazard route through the cell.
This original understanding didn't explain what we were observing in the lab. So the mystery